Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today in the house we have a brand new budget category smartwatch from Tagg. Tagg has just launched this model called as a Verve Sense in the Indian market, and this one looks quite interesting because of the features. It's got some crazy specs for the price point, guys. It costs under 2000 rupees and offers things like 1.7-inch big display, 24 sport tracking modes, and also has a free extra strap inside. So I'm pretty excited to unbox and show you the smartwatch in this video. At the back also you've got some of its main features and highlights mentioned, like it supports 100 plus cloud based watch faces, has body temperature monitoring, and offers a premium build quality on a budget. And apart from that, you do have all the health related functions available, and it's also IP67 water resistant. So those were some of its main specs and highlights, and without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. By the way, the video is sponsored by the brand, so a big thank you to them. Anyways, talking about the colors and variants, this watch is actually available in like 12 color variants, guys, and we have the black and bronze color edition. Oh wow, nice packaging. Just look at that. It says flaunt your Verve Sense as soon as you open it, and you've got some details about the app that you need to install on your phone. And as soon as you open it, we've got our brand new smartwatch at the top. Tags all new Verve Sense, guys. Okay, looks like the body and the straps come separately because I've told you, right, it comes with an extra strap also, so you can actually choose which one you want to go with the watch. Keeping that aside, this is the strap I was talking about. Okay, it's a black colored strap and has a sporty kind of feel. Nice. And inside the package, you've got a couple of other accessories. And there you go, guys. This is that extra strap which I was talking about. Pretty nice. So one has a classy feel and the other one is a sporty one, guys. So choice is completely up to you as to which one you want to choose. Along with that, you also get a charging cable for the smartwatch and some paperwork. Just make sure to read this when you have time. And that is it, guys. These were all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally have a closer look at the watch and talk about the design and the build quality. And oh boy, this actually looks pretty good, right? I love this color scheme. Black and bronze color looks quite premium for the price point. Now nobody would be actually able to tell that this costs under 2000 rupees. Very good job, Tagg. Really appreciate that. So as I've told you, it's got a premium build quality zinc alloy body at such an affordable price and comes with a big 1.7-inch display. To the right, you just have a single multifunction button which also acts as a power button for the watch, and that is it, nothing else on it. At the back side, you've got a couple of sensors. You've got the Tagg branding, a HR monitoring sensor. There's also a body temperature monitoring sensor, and these are the charging contacts. And not to forget, the watch is also IP67 water resistant as well. And coming to the straps, quality of the straps is also pretty nice, feels soft, flexible and durable. And best part is you can easily swap between the straps as per your convenience. So that is it, our complete overview on the design and the build quality part. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly set up this watch, use it for a couple of days, and then I'll be back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back to continue the video. So I've been using this smartwatch for the last couple of days, and now I'll be sharing like my complete experience and feedback on this model. We'll be talking about different aspects of this watch, so make sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss out any crucial part. So first let me tell you about the comfort and the fit. Just look at this thing. The watch has a good fit and offers a comfortable experience, and best part is it actually looks pretty nice, guys. I love the color scheme on it, black and bronze, and on top of that it's got a premium zinc alloy body, right? Metal body at an affordable price, so you do get that premium feel from it. So I'm quite satisfied with the build quality and comfort experience so far. Now let's talk about the main part, the display. Tagg's Verve Sense comes with a big 1.7-inch TFT LCD display, and initially I was a bit skeptical because the watch offered a lot of other features and stuff, so I was thinking like how the display would be, but nothing like that, guys. It's got a very good display, and let me tell you, there's good amount of detail and everything looks crisp and clear. You can easily read a lot of things, like either it be text or any sort of messages without any problems. Colors were also nice. They were producing rich and accurate colors, and look at these wallpapers, guys. I mean, you can actually notice how good the display is just by looking at the watch face itself. And brightness was also decent. It's decently bright. You can easily view the watch even in outdoor situations, but under direct sunlight na thoda difficulty hoga, but not an issue, guys. Not that bad also. For this price point, you can't complain much. So was quite satisfied with the display quality at this price point. And now what I'll do is I'll quickly give you a closer look at the watch, and I'll show you the home screen, built-in apps and features, and then we'll talk about the UI and performance. So there you go guys, this is how the home screen on the watch looks like. And first thing you might notice is my wallpaper. Thing is, this watch supports like 100 plus cloud based watch faces and comes with like 4 to 5 pre-installed watch faces guys. And not only that, you can even set your own local wallpapers, custom wallpapers from your phone as a background on this watch. So that option is also there, and that is how I'm actually using it right now. So pretty nice watch face options guys. And if you talk about the whole UI and stuff, well, it basically has a similar UI to other Tagg smartwatches. So by swiping down on the home screen, you can quickly access the quick settings panel. Over here, you can check out the battery level of the watch, current date and time, and offers a couple of quick toggles like you can directly adjust the brightness. You've got find your phone feature, D&D mode, and a quick shortcut for your settings. And by swiping up on the home screen, you can easily access the notifications area. From here, you can check out all your recently received messages or maybe like missed calls and stuff like that. But for this, you'll need to be connected to your phone via Bluetooth, and then only you will be able to get everything like maybe messages or missed calls in real time. And moving on guys, by swiping right on the home screen, you can access a complete list of apps and features present on the watch, but we'll get there in a moment. First, let me also show you the other stuff. And by swiping left on the home screen, you can access some useful widgets on the watch. You can directly check out the temperature of your body on the first page. Then you got the activity page, which shows you how many steps you've taken, kilocalories you've burnt, and these sort of fitness related stuff for that particular day. Moving on, you've got the HR monitoring tab. Over here, you can check out your current HR and these sort of stuff. We'll talk about this also at a later part in the video. And then you've got the sleep data analysis, and lastly, weather info. It shows you weather for the next couple of days, guys. And if you want all those details now, you can directly check out on your app also, which you can install on your phone. So that's it, our complete overview on the UI. And if you ask about the day-to-day performance, well, the watch was performing very well, guys. I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters. The whole transitions, app openings, everything was pretty smooth. And I had a great experience using this watch for this price point. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly show you all the built-in apps and features present on this watch. So you can easily access that by swiping right on the home screen, and at the top you got the status app guys, which shows you your current activity for that day. I've told you right, like number of steps taken, kilocalories burned, and distance traveled and these sort of stuff for that particular day. Now if you want like a weekly analysis or maybe like a complete month analysis, you can check out that on the watch's compatible app, which you need to install on your phone. There you'll get the complete details. And moving on, you've got the fitness and training related stuff. So basically these are your sport activity tracking guys. The watch supports almost like 24 different sport activity tracking, like you've got running, cycling, skipping, swimming, and a variety of other sports as well. And whenever you toggle this, the watch will automatically record a lot of data like distance traveled, how many calories you're burning, what is your current heart rate, SpO2 level, and these sort of stuff. Now again, it's a very affordable category budget watch, right? So don't expect things like built-in GPS. No, it is not there. If you want GPS related info, then it supports in-app GPS function guys. That means you'll need to carry your phone also while doing the activity and keep it paired with the watch, and that is how watch will utilize the GPS on your phone for GPS related info. So that option is there. Anyway, so that was about the fitness and sports training thing. Now moving on, you've got a couple of health related features guys, like you've got HR monitoring, 24/7 blood oxygen, SpO2 is also there, and best part is it can also measure your body's temperature guys, because it's got a dedicated sensor on it. So this can be very useful in current situations and this sort of stuff. Then you've got sleep data analysis also, and in the weather app it shows you like a complete weather forecast today and for the coming days also. And then you've got the messaging app where it shows you all your received notifications, messages, and these sort of stuff. Anyways, you also have like a remote music player also. So using this feature, you can control the music that is being played on your phone directly from the watch. And lastly, in the more settings guys, you've got all your essential stuff for your smartwatch, like stopwatch is there, timer function is also there, a basic flashlight is also there, and find your phone feature. That is it, our complete overview on the built-in apps and features. So basically this watch has like each and every feature that anybody would look on a smartwatch around this price point. So you'll be quite satisfied and happy with that. And lastly, in the settings app guys, there is nothing much over here. You can just adjust the brightness of the display, change your current watch face, and that is pretty much it. So that's it guys, our complete overview on the software and the built-in apps and stuff. Now let's talk about the health related features and how the watch was performing. Okay, I was actually a bit surprised over here because it's a very affordable category smartwatch, right? Yet it supports like plethora of health related functions. It's got 24 by 7 continuous heart rate measurement, blood oxygen SpO2 is there. It can measure your body temperature also in real time, and it's got like sleep data analysis and female health tracking also. You guys name it, it is available on this smartwatch. And let me tell you, I've been using it for the last couple of days, right? And heart rate monitoring function was working very well and giving accurate results almost 90-95% of the time, because I've compared it with like expensive watches also, right? So pretty near to that only. And on top of that, the body temperature sensor was also working well and giving accurate results only. So you'll be quite satisfied with the health related features on this thing. So now let me show you how you receive call and message notifications on this watch. Again, for this feature to work, you'll definitely need to connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, and then only you will get these notifications in real time. And there you go guys, this is how you get call notifications. It shows you the current name of the person or number of the person calling you, and you've got two options. You can either reject the call from the watch or dismiss the notification. That is it, there is no option to answer the call because there is no built-in microphone. And this is how you receive message notifications on the watch. It shows you the name of the person sending and also the content of the message. You can receive messages from wide variety of sources like SMSs, social media apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, anything guys, depending on your requirement. And there is no option to reply to these messages guys, as I've told you. You can only view the content of the message and dismiss the notification. We're almost coming to an end, so now let me tell you about the battery life. Battery life on the smartwatch was like decently good. I've been using the smartwatch for the last couple of days, right? Almost 5 to 6 days, and I haven't charged this smartwatch once also guys, so pretty decent. On a moderate sort of usage now with the brightness set to like 60%, and most of the time connected to your phone via Bluetooth for like notifications and SMSs and light physical activities and workouts. With this sort of usage, you can easily expect around like 5 to 6 days of battery life guys. But if you use it like very lightly, no Bluetooth, no smart features, then you can easily expect around like 10 to 11 days of battery life. So that is pretty much it guys, our video on Tagg's brand new budget category smartwatch, Verve Sense. It's a very good watch for the price. You're getting premium look and feel, nice display, lot of health monitoring functions and sport modes as well. So let me tell you about the pricing details. It usually costs around 2299 rupees, but it's having a special launch price offer at the moment and will be available for a limited time period at only 1999 rupees. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.